class, we're about to do some adding and subtracting of polynomials, and after you watch this video, you will take a Google Forms quiz so that I may know how well your knowledge is on adding and subtracting the polynomials. If it's not very well, we will touch up again in class and not through a video, just so I can compare which way you learn better. Let's solve this problem. 8a cubed plus b plus 4 subtracted by 2a cubed plus b minus 3. To solve this problem, we must first combine the like terms. So we will put circles, triangles, and diamonds over the three like terms. Now that we have figured out the like terms, let's put them together. We have 8a cubed minus 2a cubed plus b minus b plus 4 plus 3. So you can now see that the b minus b will cancel out, and all we have left is the 8a cubed subtracted by the 2a cubed added with the 4 plus 3 to figure out. We now have our simplified answer, 6a cubed plus 7. You may use other ways to combine like terms, using lines underneath to determine which like term is which, such as one line or three lines underneath a different one, or you can even use different colored circles to determine which one goes with the other. But for this purpose, I did not because of colored one. Now that we have finished this lesson, click the link below and it will take you to a Google Form quiz so that we may know how much you understand about adding and subtracting polynomials. Now that we have finished the quiz, we will go. Now that we have finished the video, we will go back to our website and you will click on the adding and subtracting quiz. The quiz will look like this, and you'll just answer each question. Some of them will be short answers, so I will have to go back and grade them, so if it tells you you're wrong, I could change it if you are right. Also, this little arrow sign means this is exponent. So this is 3x squared minus 5x plus 7, and this is x squared plus 2x minus 1. So keep that in mind while you're doing this. Good luck, and let's see how you did.